Hey, what's up guys, this is Lucky Whitey and today I'm going to be unboxing a 1959 Dodge Coronet police car. So I've unboxed the car and it looks pretty good. In real life, this car came with a 5.8 liter V8 producing 340 brake horsepower. As you can see, it looks really good. Has a police light on the top. It says National Parks on the side. Has the tail fin. Very well detailed car. That's the front of the car. And this is the box. As you can see, it has a photo of the car, and this is the back of the car. Again, you can see the tail fins. And it looks really good. Very well detailed car. And yeah, that's been it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you all later. Bye.